Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Katie and today I'm going to tell you about the news that has created a lot of buzz in the stock market. That is Tesla's investment in Bitcoin. So let's start with it. The first is that electric car maker Tesla announced Monday that it invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, making it the biggest investment by a mainstream corporation in the most popular cryptocurrency. In addition, the company also noted in a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) that going ahead, it plans to start accepting the digital currency as a payment option for its product. Soon after Tesla's announcement, the rate of Bitcoin skyrocketed to an all-time high, reaching the $44,000 mark for the first time. So now we are going to tell about it. What does Tesla's investment in Bitcoin mean? To begin with, crypto traders and investors are seeing the investment as a huge step in favor of institutional adoption of Bitcoin. It's a sign to other companies that Bitcoin is a solid reserve asset for any balance sheet, said Rahul Prajapati, CEO of Indian cryptocurrency ZapePay. Tesla's investment, though, is also a testament to its CEO Elon Musk's support to cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, the price of which went surging after he changed his Twitter bio to read hashtag Bitcoin. The announcement of Tesla investing in Bitcoin has even raised red flags about Musk's social media activity on cryptocurrencies. The moves raised the immediate questions around CEO Elon Musk's behavior on Twitter recent weeks, where he has been credited for increasing the prices of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin by positing by posting positive messages that have encouraged more people to buy the digital currency, says CNBC report. Why Tesla has invested. So, in its CEE filing, the company pointed out that last month it updated its investment policy to be more flexible in further diversifying and maximizing returns on its ideal cash. As a part of this plan, it said it would invest in certain alternative reserve assets, including digital assets, gold bullion, gold exchange traded funds, and other assets. Thereafter, we invested an aggregate $1.5 billion in Bitcoin under this policy and may acquire and hold digital assets from time to time or long term. Moreover, we expect to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for our products in the near future, subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis, which we may or may not liquidate upon receipt. It said in its earnings report for the fourth quarter released last month. Tesla said it had cash and cash equivalents of $19.4 billion. Now, these were the reasons that the Tesla invested in bitcoins, that it started accepting that it told people that it will start accepting the cryptocurrency as the source of a payment, and that is why it has increased the prices of cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin has increased very rapidly. The next thing that we are going to talk about is how risky is investment in Bitcoin. According to Tesla's own admission in its SEC filing, the prices of digital assets have been in the past and may continue to be highly volatile, including as a result of various associated risks and uncertainties. For example, the prevalence of such assets is a relatively recent trend, and their long term adoption by investors, consumers, and businesses unpredictable. Moreover, their lack of physical form, their reliance on technology for their creation, existence, and transactional validation, and their decentralization may subject their integrity to the threat of malicious attacks and technological obsolescence, it said. Finally, the extent to which securities law or other regulations apply or may apply in the future to such assets is unclear and may change in the future. If we hold digital assets and their values decrease relative to our purchase prices, our financial condition may be harmed, Tesla disclaimed. So investment in Bitcoin is very, very risky according to the Tesla's own admission as well. Now, what Bitcoin's proponents and skeptics say about Tesla's investment. The the Thomas Hayes, managing member at Great Hill Capital LLC in New York, told that if any lesser mortals had made the decision to put part of their balance sheet in Bitcoin, I don't think it would have been taken seriously. But when the richest man in the world does it, everyone has to take a second look. The next one is said by Vijay Iyer, head of Asia Pacific with cryptocurrency exchange Luno in Singapore, told Bloomberg, one by one, corporations will add Bitcoin to their balance sheets, and it couldn't get bigger than Tesla. Imagine if 100 companies start putting even 1% into Bitcoin, what that is going to do demand and supply. The next one said Jeffrey Hele, a senior market analyst at Oenda Asia Pacific Pito, told Bloomberg the crypto craze is entirely driven by short term speculative momentum mania. For all the noise I keep hearing about how Bitcoin may go, the noise around how it will be used in everyday life is defeatingly silent. There are many other analysis and many other proponents that said, like the other one is said by Rahul Prajapati, CEO of Zepay, told Live Mint that this is a surprise, that it is also not a surprise at all. Elon Musk has been talking about Bitcoin for a long time. The number of users on Zepay did more than double right after the news. Is a sign to other companies that Bitcoin is a solid reserve asset for any balance sheet. We hope central banks will join in and that this news helps nudge the government to buy, not the ban Bitcoin, and let every Indian do the same. Now, if tomorrow Tesla also buys $1 billion of Dogecoin, that will be a surprise. The other one came from Mohammed El Erin, that is Chief Economic Advisor of Ellison, told CNBC that the argument for Bitcoin is evolving. It used to be negative reasons to buy, but suddenly there are positive reasons, and that's why you see Bitcoin at new heights. So these were the proponents and spectators that said much about the investment of Tesla made in Bitcoins. So in this video, I have told you that how Tesla has invested Bitcoin and how it has increased the prices of Bitcoin in the stock market. Bitcoin hit a fresh record above $47,000 on Tuesday after Elon Musk Tesla announced a $1.5 million investment is the largest cryptocurrency. Bitcoin rose as much as 6.3% to almost $47,493 in Asia trading. Tesla disclosure Monday sent the price soaring. The company also said that it would be accepting the digital token as a form of payment for its electric cars. Thank you for listening. I hope this news will be a valuable information for you guys. Have a nice day.